how to change your nickname on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it. Easy and quick. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here, and now click these three lines in the top corner, and now all you need to do is to go to this one here, manage TikTok account, and then click edit nickname. Now just type here your nickname and click save, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.